My name is Aditya Gopinath. I am a fifth year graduate student, a graduate research assistant in the lab of Dr. Habibeh Kashpoui and Dr. Jake Streit. We focus on Parkinson's disease. So I'm currently investigating the connections between changes in the brains of Parkinson's patients and the peripheral immune system. So what we've actually been able to find is that there seems to be a communication between the brain and the immune system, which allows us to use the peripheral immune cells of patients with Parkinson's disease as a readout of what's going on in the brain. Really, the game-changing application here, what we're really working on is a blood test that can be potentially used to monitor, diagnose, and monitor progression and treatment efficacy in patients with Parkinson's disease. In the United States, we have a rapidly aging population. We already have more than 1 million Americans diagnosed with Parkinson's, currently living with it. And so if we have a new modality, a new test to help diagnose, monitor, and determine whether or not treatments are working for Parkinson's disease, this is potentially going to impact the lives of a very large number of people. UF is this amazingly collaborative, collegial place. So I've never been in a situation where I can't knock on a researcher's door, walk into their lab, and an hour later walk back here with a new collaborative experiment and looking to answer some exciting new research question. My life outside of the lab centers around my dog. So I have a 12-year-old golden retriever named Jake. And this dog is one of the most brilliant, strong-willed dogs I've ever met. So one of my favorite things to do is, in the evenings, especially after I'm done with a long day at lab, I will drive over someplace on campus, we'll park, and I will let him take me on a long, meandering walk, wherever suits his fancy. And I end up discovering things every time I go on walks with this guy.